Hi, this is the first tutorial. I'm going to show how to take out the camera PCB and the optics out of this HT6000 Microsoft webcam. Most of the parts here are glued and screwed, so all you really need to do for the beginning is pry parts open, get rid of the glue. So first thing I'm going to do is take off the front part. Go in here and pop this out. Or like this. And do the same on the back side. This kind of pops out like this. And there's a small, so I'll just stick on a small piece of metal. It's there to cool the chip. We don't need that because our chip will be exposed to the air. Now, I'm going to turn it around. You need a screwdriver that reaches all the way in. That's why I can't use this. It's too thick. Use this. And then untighten this one. Comes right out. Just a magnetized tip. Untighten the little one. And then just go in here with the screwdriver. Just pry this out. This microphone here. You can just take it off. So I'm not quite sure. Just stick on there. First part, gone. So now you can see there's the camera optics in there. You can see a bit of the PCB. PCB is two-part PCB, so what looks like just one is actually two, and they're stuck in like from both sides. So there's a small silver screw here. Unscrew that screw. Don't lose it. We'll need it again. Unscrew. You can actually pull on this, and tricky, but ultimately be able to. Just one sec. This comes off like so. Oh, not all the way loose yet. Oh, here we go. First part. What you see here is the front PCB with the camera. So this is an autofocus camera, that's why it has a big casing here. Autofocus is going to annoy us. We're going to take care of that soon. But we're going to keep everything here you see here. So don't throw this away. So the other part that's remaining in here is the back side of the PCB, the second PCB. This one, if you just pull through like this, comes right out. Now we're going to take the lower part out. We only need to do this because we need a cable. So the way this works is take it like this, and then you just overbend it. Well, it's going to stay open like so. You need a little pokey tool. I always use this broken screwdriver to take off this another glued on piece of tape. Exposing 4 screws. It's hard to unscrew these, so you should take off this part. Also glued on, taped on. These are all taped on. Tape is used extensively in consumer products. Give you that no visible screw slot. Now we can go to unscrew the 4 screws we see here. So once we're done with this, we can loosen this. So here, this part is also just set in here. Take that off. And here we go. This can be thrown away. Now comes the next part. There's 3 screws here. I'll unscrew them. So now this is loose, but still in the way. So if you're really good at soldering, you can cut the cables now and just pull it out and solder it back on. If you don't want to do this, which is totally fine, you have to get pliers or some kind of cutting device, maybe a Dremel, and you just cut this open, setting free the cable. I'm not going to show this here because it's messy, but it's certainly doable. So any pair of cutting pliers does fine. Just watch for the cables, don't cut them. If you do, you can always solder them back together. It's no problem. That's it.